Welcome to just a quick video on our microwave. This was fitted when we got the van from new. It's a Swift Deluxe microwave. I think it's a 700 watt 23 litre microwave. So we've had the van for 3 years and we probably use it for about 12 or 13 weeks a year, which means maybe 36 weeks we use the microwave for maybe 15 minutes a day. So its use is around about 60 hours in total. And on our last trip it shit itself. Just made an arcing, sparking noise, and all the lights worked and the turntable worked, but it wouldn't heat anything. So it just crapped itself after 60 hours. Actually, on the same trip, on our last trip, the cooker decided it didn't want to work anymore either. You can see it's only got the 4 or 5 knobs on it. We've still got that removed because we're waiting for the warranty repair for that to be done after 18 months. Still, we can't find anybody that's got time to do that for us. And then, as well as that, the safety heat sensing switch on the grill decided to pack it in as well. So the only way we could use the grill on the last trip was to hold the knob in. So we're trying to get that fixed as well. So we haven't had a really good run with Swift. Now the microwave was going to cost more to get somebody to look at it than it was to replace it, so I decided to replace it. But I'm not going with Swift, just because of the run we've had. Now the microwave's held in. This around here is a trim kit. They range anywhere in price from $30 to over 300, so keeping that. The trim kit just holds the microwave in place. You can see it's on the shelf there. But the trim kit is screwed in, 4 screws. And then it's screwed into the side of the microwave, the other housing of the microwave. Just keeps it in place, stops it sliding around. I have heard of a lot of people that have fitted microwaves and put screws up through the bottom to hold them in. Trim kit's a lot neater. So to get it out, we just take out those 4 screws. So once we've got those 4 screws out, put them in a safe place, the microwave should slide out. Just make sure it's unplugged, push the cord through. Now the trim kit is just screwed on to the outer casing of the microwave. And just 4 screws. So 4 screws are out, and then the trim kit will just come off. Now you can see this side of the trim kit, it's got a fold in it there. This side doesn't. So that means you can adjust the trim kit to fit other microwaves that are up to, looks like, a centimetre longer, or sorry, wider than this one. It fits on, but if you had one that was longer, you'd just straighten that fold out, make it wider. Now this time we've decided to go with this Kamek microwave. It's a 900 watt, same size, 23 litre. When I was looking to choose which one to buy, it said this was actually 2 millimeters longer than the other one, but luckily the trim kit fits straight on. Which is a bonus. I don't have to straighten that fold out that I was talking about. And the outside housing is just exactly that, an outside housing. There's nothing behind those panels. So I'll be able to drill those and fit that on. That's just a test fit up. That's what it should look like when it's fitted. So I'll just mark where I want it to sit on this fitting trim. And I'll pull it out and fit it up and drill some holes, I guess. So it's got to be the right distance from the bottom, otherwise the legs won't sit on the bottom of the cupboard. And I want it to sit flush, so it's got to be flush on the edge there. If I line up those marks I just made, it should be where I drill the holes. Helps when you got a sharp drill. I didn't trust myself. I was putting too much pressure on the drill to try and force that blunt drill bit through, so I've taken the cover off. I'll drill it and then put it back on. There's only 5 screws I think to take that cover off. So I'll now go and drill that. So we've got the trim fitted on. It's much easier once I took that off. The only problem I had was right behind those holes there's a lip where the outer cover fits in into the main unit, so I had to move the holes back, which means that now it sticks out a little bit. It's not going to be flush with the cupboard, and that's a small price to pay. Now we've got to get it back up in there. Yeah, I think we just have to put those 4 screws back in there. We're done. And clean it up. Got my sweaty fingerprints all over it. Just a bit more fiddling and a bit more manoeuvring and we'll be done. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully this one lasts a bit longer than 3 years. Plugs in up there. What do you think?
Excellent.
Go clean it. That's your job.
Clean it with that.
Just wipe it.
Oh, you mean here?
Just the glass. Where do you think I meant?
I thought you meant here.
It's all my blood, sweat and tears all over it.
Why would it have blood?
Because I cut myself.
Oh, did you?
Thanks for watching. We'll let you know how this microwave goes. Remember, if you're subscribed, you'll be first to know. Thank you.
Probably should have used a microfiber glass clip.